In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify PIN. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your Shopify admin to view or set the 4-digit PIN that staff use to access Shopify POS on in-store devices. This PIN helps control who can ring up sales and perform point-of-sale actions, so accuracy and security matter. Start by signing into your Shopify admin using a web browser. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage staff details, since only users with the right access can view or change a staff PIN. Once you're in the admin, look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps store-wide configuration and account controls, including staff management. Inside Settings, open the Users section. Depending on your interface, this might appear as Users or Users and Permissions, but it takes you to the same place, a list of all staff who can access your store. Find the staff member whose PIN you want to check or update. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to locate the right profile, then click the staff name to open their details. On the staff details page, scroll until you see the staff PIN or POS PIN area. POS stands for point of sale, and this section is dedicated to the code that staff type when they sign into the Shopify POS app at the register. If you see this section, you're in the right place. Here, you can either view the current PIN if it's visible to you or create a new one. The PIN is always 4 digits. If you're setting a new PIN, choose a number that's easy for the staff member to remember, but hard for others to guess. Avoid common patterns like repeating numbers or 134, and steer clear of personally meaningful dates. Treat the PIN like any other sensitive credential, share it only with the intended staff member and store it securely. If you're simply copying the existing PIN, double check that you've recorded it accurately before closing the page. Once the PIN is set here, it's the code that staff will use the next time they authenticate on Shopify POS. If you ever rotate staff or adjust roles, come back to this same spot to update or remove access as needed. A quick review now and then helps keep your checkout secure and running smoothly. That's it. You logged into Shopify admin, went to settings, opened users, selected the correct staff account, scrolled to the staff PIN or POS PIN section, and created or copied the 4-digit PIN. Thanks for watching, and keep your store secure by managing those PINs thoughtfully.